morning. It's been a while since you all have joined me in my morning routine. I thought I'd show you what's going on here. It's a beautiful September morning. The sun is just about to rise up over the mountains, and you can see kind of how it makes all the greenery kind of glow and get kind of golden. Anyway, come on and join me. This is my favorite view this time of morning. You can just see the sun rising right now. Our orchard trees are still green with their leaves, but they'll lose their leaves in the next couple of months. And we just planted our wildflower meadow again. Hopefully we're going to get some lower flowers this time. The meadow kind of went crazy last time, so we're hoping it'll just kind of be kind of a soft, flowery carpet. Our Highland ladies are ready to say hello to you. You can see that they're starting to get their horns, except for Adelaide, who has a recessive no horn gene. Good morning, Clementine. How you doing? How you doing, girl? Okay, we'll be back to feed you. Here in Ojai, California, our season transitions are a little bit more subtle than around the world. You can see that a lot of our trees still have their leaves. Our roses are still blooming on our arbor. Steve will show you how beautiful that looks. Steve would be my cameraman today. So you can see our rose arbor is still blooming with white floribunda roses. And we still have some dahlias growing as well. We won't cut back our roses until January. So why don't we go in and feed the cats, Bonnie and Clyde, and our chickens. Good morning, everybody. Bonnie and Clyde have been doing their job over the evening, making sure the rodents stay out of the chicken coop. We have a mixture of sunflower seeds and some kelp and black oil sunflower seeds and worms, mealworms. Come on, ladies. So these are our older chickens. You can see our new chickens are still in here. They're kind of getting used to each other. Whoop! Hello, ladies. See, our ladies have been busy this morning. We have a lot of eggs, a lot of different colored eggs. Really pretty. Get them in the sun. There you go. So I think, let's see here. Yeah. A few more. Any more? That it? Awesome. So while Steve was showing you our busy chickens, I was cleaning some of the extra poop out of the coop, which I do every morning. Otherwise, it gets to be quite a mess. So, got some carrots for our donkeys. Let's go see how they're doing. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Oh, come on, everybody. Wow. Our donkeys get pretty excited in the morning to put on their halters because they know that means it's breakfast time. That's Buttercup. She's the leader of the pack. This is her best friend, Daisy. She's the smallest of our 4 miniatures. Come on, let's get her over here. She likes to eat next to Buttercup. There you go. She gets another carrot. There, let's get Daisy, Buttercup. Yeah. That's Blossom. How old is Blossom now? I think she's about 6 years old. Got some hay on her. There you go. And her buddy is Huckleberry. We call him Huck. When Steve isn't videotaping me in the morning, he's on poop patrol. So usually while I'm doing this, he's cleaning up what the donkeys have been busy doing all evening, right? Okay, good job. And then to keep these guys busy while I get their hay, horse pellets. Horse Guard has all their kind of vitamins and nutrients in it. Kind of like a donkey multivitamin. Okay. So we started tying them up for meals because Miss Buttercup over here is a little bossy. And she was starting to eat everybody's food. This way everybody gets their own hay. Mr. Patient, Huck, there you go. Oh, a couple more carrots. There you go. Let's see here. We'll be back in a minute. I need Steve to help me with the cows. Hold on. So we feed the cows a different kind of hay. They get orchard hay. The donkeys get a different kind of hay that doesn't have as much protein in it. And then the cows get their grains on top, which must taste delicious. They just love it. Right, Annabelle? There you go. You can see that they've gotten tall enough that they can just eat over the little hay feeder.
I think I'll get that linseed oil.
Okie dokie. We give the cows linseed oil. It's good for their skin and their furry coats. Right. Good morning.
So this is the linseed oil, kind of like the salad dressing for their hay salad. Okay.
So this time of year we still get some flies, especially the donkeys on their legs. So I use a combination of Badger Balm and Farrier's Wife belly salve on their legs. So basically that's where the gloves kind of come in handy. So basically take some of the Badger Balm, rub it in, and then I take some of the belly salve, and then I just put it on their legs, and it keeps those biting flies from biting them. I'm not sure why they only bite their legs, but that does seem to be the yummiest place. So we just do it on all 4 legs. Yeah, you want to get that around there. There you go. And for some reason, Daisy must be the tastiest. She gets it the worst. Before I discovered this combination, she would get all kinds of bites on her legs. We tried everything, but this keeps them away completely. Yeah. Good girl. Okay. So anyway, that's our morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye from Patina Farm.